नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। I'm JVN Professor Manju Sharma. I'm at third sem. Subject name secondary and senior secondary education. Module name, a session name. English needs to find its place among with other Indian language. University name Jyoti Vidyapeth Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all in class University of JVW Jaipur. Today we discussing about English needs to find its place among with other Indian languages. English as a national foreign language, India has two national languages for central administrative purpose, Hindi and English. Hindi is the national, official and main legal language of India. English is an associate official language. The Indian Constitution also officially approves 22 regional languages for official purpose. Dozens of distinctly different regional languages are spoken in India, which share many characteristics such as grammatical structure and vocabulary. Apart from these languages, Hindi is used for communication in India. The homeland of Hindi is mainly in the north of India, but it is spoken and widely understood in all urban centers of India. In the southern states of India, where people speak many different languages that are not much related to Hindi, there is more resistance to Hindi, which has allowed English to remain a lingua franca to a greater degree. Since the early 1600s, the English language has had a hold on the Indian subcontinent. When the East India Company established settlements in Chennai, Kolkata, and Mumbai, formerly Madras, Calcutta, and Bombay, respectively. Since the historical background of India is never far away from everyday usage of English. India has had a longer exposure to English than any other country which uses it as a second language. Its distinctive words, idioms, grammar, and reorthotic spreading gradually to affect all places, habits, and culture. In India, English serves two purposes. First, it provides a linguistic tool for the administrative cohesiveness of the country, causing people who speak different languages to become united. Secondly, it serves as a language of wider communication, including a large variety of different people covering a vast area. It overlaps with local languages in certain spheres of influence and in public domains. Generally, English is used among Indians as a link language and it is the first language for many well-educated Indians. It is also the second language for many who speak more than one language in India. The English language is a tie that helps bind the many segments of our society together. Also, it is a linguistic bridge between the major countries of the world and India. English has special national status in India. It has a special place in the parliament, judiciary, broadcasting, journalism, and in the education system. One can see a Hindi speaking teacher giving their student instruction during an educational tour about where to meet and when their bus would leave, but all in English. It means that the language parameters daily life. It is unavoidable and is always expected, especially in the cities. The importance of the ability to speak or write. English has recently increased significantly because English has become the de facto standard. Learning English language has become popular for business, commerce, and cultural regions, and especially for internet communications throughout the world. English is a language that has become a standard not because it has been approved by any standard organization, but because it is widely used by many information and technology industries and recognizing as being standard. The importance of the ability to speak. The call center phenomena has stimulated a huge expansion of internet-related activity, establishing the future of India as a cyber technological superpower. Modern communications, videos, journals, and newspaper on the internet use English and have made knowing English indispensable. The prevailing view seems to be that unless students learn English, they can only work in limited jobs. Those who do not have basic knowledge of English cannot obtain good quality jobs. They cannot communicate efficiently with others and cannot have the benefits of India's rich social and cultural life. Men and women who cannot comprehend and interpret instructions in English, even if educated, are unemployable. They cannot help with their children's school homework every day or decide the revenue options of the future. A positive attitude to English as a national language is essential to the integration of people into Indian society. There would appear to be virtually no disagreement in the community about the importance of English language skills. Using English, you will become a citizen of the world almost naturally. A positive attitude to English as a national language is essential to the integration of the people into Indian society. English plays a dominant role in the media. It has been used as a medium for interstate communication and broadcasting both before and since India's independence. India is without a doubt committed to English as a national language. The impact of English is not only continuing but increasing. Most widely spoken foreign language. Top four foreign language with the most speakers, native and non-natives, are Mandarin, Chinese, Persian, Arabic, and have not considered Hindi and English since both are language of the government of India. The session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Have you any query? Please comment in comment box. I resolve your queries. Thank you.